Hello, my name is Justin. I'm here with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. What a beautiful day here in Connecticut. Today we're going to be talking about this 2024 one-owner boat, Cruises 34 GLS. I'm going to step back and show you a couple features on the aft side. First thing we want to talk about is it's powered by twin 300 Mercuries. What's nice is that this folds up and you can get the engines completely out of the water, and when underway you can put this platform down and you have ample swim area. Another great feature when we put on the hook or we get out in the sound and we're relaxing on this beautiful day is with a couple easy buttons here. So we unlock, this will fold down, and then your back seat will fold up to make a beautiful lounger on this wonderful Cruisers with a super extended sunshade. That's a Sunbrella sunshade. Enjoying the waters. I do have my Rockford Fosgate stereo right there, which I can adjust sound back here in case anybody's up at the bow. I have easy access to the summer kitchen. Come on aboard and I'll show you the summer kitchen. As we're looking at the summer kitchen, you have a full grill, a sink, refrigerator number one, and the grill keypad is nice and easily accessible right here by your fingers. You have storage underneath there for a trash receptacle. Plenty of storage under these seats. As you're coming forward, we're looking at the port side seating. While underway, this seat will sit back and you can have two people sitting. Great conversation area while underway. And while lounging, you just take this, lift, and slide back, and you're able to sit while talking to the helmsman comfortably with easy access to your cup holders. This is a wonderful, wonderful boat. Down below is your engine room. It has your generator and all the electronics needed to operate this wonderful boat. As you're coming aboard and we're stepping in towards the helm, you can notice there's a secondary fridge under the helm seat. Easy access again to get a cool beverage. Coming into the helm, if you notice at the aft of the helm, you'll see an induction charger for your cell phone. You have easy access cup holder. Your trim tabs are right there. You also have auto trim on the new binnacle there by Mercury, and a nice easy start-stop button for both engines. You can see that it is equipped with the JPO, which is joystick piloting option. That is integrated autopilot, skyhook, and joystick to maneuver in and out of your slip. As we're panning, you'll notice you have twin integrated Simrad screens. This is very nicely a pointed dash with buttons easy accessible for the captain. VHF radio on the port side of the steering wheel for easy access to contact Coast Guard or whatever may be. Your Rockford Fosgate puck, we'll call it. Nice and, again, easy access. And as you keep panning over, you'll notice we can get below deck. It is equipped with a beautiful screens for days like today where you don't need the air conditioner. Let's take a look down below deck and let me show you the area below deck. As you can see below deck, there's plenty of space. I am 6 foot tall, great headroom. You have a nice little area here to dine. This will easily convert into a bed, so you can sleep two here. This is air conditioned down here, and obviously the lighting through here is a nice easy access as you're walking down on your port side. You do have a full head with a full door. So as I open the door, you're going to notice I have one cabinet open showing the storage behind the glass. You do have a toilet. It is a wet head. There is a shower and plenty of storage there. As we close the head door, you can see on the starboard side, it does come equipped with a microwave. You have easy access to your main control panel right underneath that seat. You can fold that seat down and you have a wonderful window of a view exterior of the boat while on anchor. You do have convenient storage up on the left-hand side there of the microwave, and another Rockford Fosgate stereo system with 2 speakers down below. And then the aft cabin, you'll notice, or aft sleeping quarters, is convenient there to add another 2 people once you move the pillows out of the way. with lighting for reading and another AC outlet down there as well. Come up from below deck, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting features of this boat, which is the ample bow seating. As we're underway, you'll notice when you walk out, it's nice, easy access to get out to the bow. You have nice deep seats up against the helm here. You can sit 1, 2, 3 people comfortably and another 2 here, 5. It does have a table insert and a Yeti cooler underneath. Again, another Rockford Fosgate. Puck is sitting right on the port side here, so you can adjust your stereo system out here. This is a wonderful boat, great for the Long Island Sound and cruising. This is wonderful, entertaining boat. Please swing by 627 Boston Post Road. Come see us, take a look at the boat. We could take it for a ride today. Until I talk to you next time, my name is Justin. Have a great day.